Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. The shipping and maritime industry is the lifeline of global trade. Every single day, thousands of ships across oceans carrying billions worth of goods, oil, automobiles, machinery, electronics and food. But have you ever imagined what would happen if even one of those ships faced a serious threat like hijacking, cargo theft, cyber attack or a port shutdown? The result could be catastrophic, financially and reputationally. That is exactly where ISO 28000, the International Security Management System standard for the supply chain, comes into play. It acts as a powerful shield protecting global logistics, ports, and vessels from disruptions, theft, and risk that could shake entire trade networks. This standard isn't just about compliance. It is about building confidence, trust, and resilience across the maritime world. In this session, we will explore how ISO 28000 protects the shipping and maritime industry, from port to port and container to customer. Why the maritime industry needs ISO 28000? The maritime industry operates in unpredictable and often dangerous conditions. Threats like piracy, terrorism, stowaways, cyber attacks, and illegal trade are constant challenges. Think about piracy in the Gulf of Aden or the Strait of Malacca. Ships in these areas face risk not just to cargo, but to human life. With ISO 28000, shipping operators can identify, assess, and mitigate these risks proactively. It helps implement measures like regular vessel security drills, thorough crew background checks, real-time cargo and container tracking, secure communication systems between ship and port. This way, ships never sail blindly. Every route, every shipment, and every person on board is part of a security plan built to handle emergencies confidently. Now let's have a look on the key elements of ISO 28000. ISO 28000 doesn't prescribe fixed steps. It creates a flexible framework adaptable to any organization. The main elements are security policy, a clear top management approved policy showing the company's commitment to maintaining security and compliance. Risk assessment. Each ship, port, and cargo faces unique risk. ISO 28000 requires identifying, analyzing, and prioritizing those threats. Security controls. Access control systems, surveillance, cargo verification, and incident reporting procedures form the backbone of these controls. Training and awareness. Crew and port employees receive regular training to identify suspicious activity and handle emergencies. Emergency preparedness. Every company must have detailed, tested response plans for incidents like hijacks, fires, or cyber breaches. Performance evaluation and improvement. Continuous audits, reviews, and corrective actions ensure that security never becomes outdated or ignored. Together, these elements make ISO 28000 dynamic, constantly improving security management system. Now, how it works in ports and terminals. Ports are among the busiest and most complex workplaces in the world. Thousands of containers move daily, handled by hundreds of workers and subcontractors. One weak security point could compromise everything. ISO 28000 helps ports establish multi-layered security systems to maintain integrity and control. It includes CCTV and biometric access, container sealing systems, vehicle and cargo tracking, supplier verification, and strict background checks for employees and contractors. Ports certified under ISO 28000 gain credibility with customers, international clients, and insurance agencies. It also complements the ISPS code, that is International Ship and Port Facility Security Code, helping ports meet international legal and regulatory requirements more efficiently. Now, technology and digital security. Today's maritime operations rely heavily on technology. GPS navigation, IoT sensors in containers, and AI for route optimization. But with digital innovation comes cyber risk. ISO 28000 extends protection to digital assets and information systems. It ensures companies safeguard onboard IT infrastructure, encrypt communication channels, and protect navigation data from hacking or manipulation. Crew members also receive cyber awareness training to prevent phishing or data theft. A cyber-secure ship is no longer an option. It is a necessity. ISO 28000 prepares the industry to defend against both physical and digital attacks. Now, anchoring the future. The sea will always be unpredictable, full of risk and uncertainties, but your supply chain doesn't have to be. ISO 28000 acts as your anchor of stability, protecting lives, cargo, and reputation in an increasingly volatile world. By adopting ISO 28000, the shipping and maritime industry isn't just following a standard. It is embracing a culture of proactive security, resilience, and global trust. Because in the world of shipping, safety isn't just survival, it is strategy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.